My name is Jeff Bogert. This video is a presentation for the Harvard online course CS50 Introduction to AI with Python. This video illustrates a Python program called puzzle.py that is provided in the section of the course that teaches knowledge bases. At the top of the screen is the start of that particular Python program, and it shows we're bringing information in from another program called Logic, and we're introducing a bunch of players, knights and knaves, and we have to set up a bunch of puzzles. There are actually 4 of them, and create what is called a knowledge base for each one. I'm showing you at the top of the screen the knowledge base that's set up for the puzzle number 0. In that puzzle, A says, A is one of the characters, I am both a knight and a knave. So in this knowledge base, I have a symbol for that statement that A says, and I call it A says underline both. And then I have in the knowledge base some statements about that, implications, where first one is A says both implies that A is both a knight and a knave. And another implication is that if A is a knight, we know a priori that a knight always tells the truth. It implies that A says is true, or A says both is true. Likewise, the implication that if a knave is true, and a knave is someone who always lies, then that statement is going to be false. We also know that A can be only one of the two, a knight or a knave, and the statements or of the knight and the knave, and the statement not both is also part of the knowledge base. Now, with that said, I'm down to where I'm running the program with Python 3, and I've printed out the questions at the top, and the answers are at the bottom. So in puzzle 0, again, it says, I am both a knight and a knave, and down at the bottom you see the answer is A is a knave. Puzzle 1 says, we are both knaves. B says nothing. B is someone else who could be either a knave or a knight. And in this case, the answer is that A is a knave again. In puzzle number 2, A says we are the same kind, meaning that we are both either knaves or both are knights. And B says we're different kinds, which means just the opposite. So in this particular puzzle, again, it turns out that A is a knave. And again, the statements for these I'm not showing you, but they're much more complicated than what I showed you for the first puzzle. The last puzzle 3 says, I am a knight or I am a knave, and you don't know which. That's for A. And B says, A said that I am a knave, and B says, C is a knave. C says, A is a knight. Mixing all that logic together, we find out that B is a knave. This is just an illustration of what was done for this course. Thank you very much.